Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek from Mechanical Department SEM3. Today I am going to introduce about my subject kinematic of machine and my project quick return mechanism. First I am going to introduce about my subject kinematic of machine. To study the mechanism, we study the theory of machine. Theory of machine is further divided into two parts: kinematic of machine, dynamics of machine. Here we study about kinematic of machine. Kinematic of machine gives idea about links, joints, flywheel, etc. Components of the quick return mechanism. First, crank, which convert rotary motion into reciprocating motion. Second, connecting rod, transfer motion from the crank to the slider or ram. Third, slider, carries the cutting tool or workpiece holder. Fourth, slotted link, guides the motion of the slider or ram, providing the quick return mechanism. Fifth, base, which support the all part of this mechanism. Working process of this mechanism. First, the crank, which rotate and gives the reciprocating motion to this slider, and through this connecting rod, which have slotted bar inside, and it have base which support this all part. Now we talk about our project quick return mechanism. The quick return mechanism is a mechanical system used in a various machines such as shaper and slotting machine. To achieve non-uniform motion, its primary function is to enable a tool or workpiece holder to move quickly in one direction, the cutting stroke, and the return slowly in the opposite direction, which called the return stroke. The mechanism typically consists of a crane, connecting rod, and a slotted link or guides, and a frame, which called base. The crank converts rotary motion into reciprocating motion, which is transmitted to the slider or ram through the connecting rod. The slotted link or guides controls the motion of the slider or ram, provides the desired quick return motion. During the cutting stroke, the crank rotates, causing the slider or ram to move rapidly in one direction, allowing the cutting tool to perform its machining operation. It's constant. During the return stroke, the crank continues to rotate, but the motion of the slider or ram is slowed down, resulting in a slower return movement. Thank you.